How to add lines in Google Docs. So after inserting the line, you can write text on, below, and at the sides of the line. Adjust its thickness, color, and whatnot. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is click on Format, Paragraph Styles, and Borders and Shading. Now from here on out, you can adjust the position, border width, border dash, border color, background color, and paragraph padding. Now, the position tells us from where the text is going to appear. Now, if we select top border, that means if we write some text, it's going to appear below the line. Bottom border means the text is going to appear above the line. Left border means it's at the right of the line. You get the rest. Now, border width determines the thickness of the line. I'll just keep it a default. Border dash basically tells us how the line is going to look like. So, we can choose this dotted line. Border color determines the color of the border. Let's choose green. Why not? Background color tells us what the background color around the line is going to be like. So the background color doesn't determine the background color of the entire page. It just determines the background color of the line. So I can select black so you get how it looks like. So I'm gonna click apply, and this is how it looks like. How to add lines. Now I can just do that. Boom. That's great. Now, as you can see, this all appeared in this one big block. Now, as you can see, if you want the normal line, you can just copy these settings, click apply, and this normal line is going to appear. Now, as you can see, I'm going to demonstrate a few things. Now, I can write the text, and it's going to appear on the top of the line. Let's just delete that for a second. Let's go to Format, Paragraph Styles. Let's uncheck that and check the top. So if you click apply, write some text, is going to appear below the line. If you want the line to be a bit, girthier, a bit thicker, you can select this. And here you go, it's gonna appear thicker. So that's how you add lines in Google Docs.